progress so far. Still gotta do the other side. Looks a lot better than it did. Still got some work to do. But that ain't why we here. 15 fucking quarts. Yep. You see it. Most oil I ever bought in my damn life. Yeah. Get to it. Yeah, so if you're watching this, just know this is my second truck. Third truck. I had a 2004 Silverado, and but my grandmother left us a 2005 Ford Ranger, and then I got this for a deal that I could not decline. So, yep, this is new shit to me, especially 15 quarts of oil. Ooh. I'm nowhere near where I need to be. Well, there we are. It says, see if she wants to come off. I don't have the proper equipment to really film this shit, so yeah, I'll be right back. So I was right the first time. Damn it, I keep doing this shit. Alright, yeah, so the fact that, one, I don't gotta jack this bitch up is lovely. Two, that's a great fucking spot for the oil filter. Just do that. Like, why? Oh, man. No, it's probably. Let's see. So it's actually a 16, which I could have figured out from a light little Google search, but what's the fun in that? Obtain the information better through experience. It's really just gonna be my thoughts, for real. Got these wrenches off Amazon. Ain't really let me down yet. Something's tight. Change that all. Change that all before change you. That's exactly what I was trying to avoid, but fuck it. Yeah. Oil change, but longer. That's what the bottom of the truck's looking like. A little bit of rust. Crazy. Silverado definitely had more, can't lie about that. big fucking truck. It's a lot of damn oil. Looks like we got about, probably can't see it, but we got 10 quarts coming out of here right now. Don't think we're getting another 5. Alright, tried to mess with the radio for a little bit, but we're gonna get back to our regularly scheduled program. Looking about done to me, and we still at 10. Okay. My bad. I mean, yeah, you turn it right. It's pretty self-explanatory. You know? I feel like if you're watching this, you probably already know that. At least. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get them comfortably tight for the next person who has to change the oil, even if the person is you. Stay toxic. There's gonna be a lot of cuts in this. Well, I don't know. I'm not sure how good my editing is gonna be. We gonna find out though. We gonna find out. Get you your FL 820S Motorcraft oil filter. I'm not doing the shit with the put the oil in the filter. Yeah, once I get up, that's about it. I don't really plan to get back under here. Make sure ain't nothing. And again, we just turn to the right. Make sure the bitch is snug. I might have overdid it, but that's a bag of oil if I ever seen one. That damn fruit punch style. Oh man, it'll be nice to have some help right now. Wow, I can't believe I just said it. And yeah. So how are you all? Hope your life's good. Hope shit working out for you. Get real out here. Stay solid. Clean up your stuff. Be right back. Alright, let's hope for the best. Let's hope I ain't break nothing. Yeah, we got an exhaust leak. But, you know, start right up. I just gotta get this figured out. That will just not do. One more reminder. I don't care what them people tell you. You buy that car, you change that damn oil.